Hey, poultry farmer. Today we want to look at the benefits of feeding banana leaves to our chickens. So what you have to understand is that maybe you might be missing something that could change the game of your poultry farming business. So when you look at these leaves, what I'll tell you is these leaves got some benefits that could benefit you in poultry farming. This could be a game changer to your poultry farming business. So these banana leaves, as simple as you can look at them, they've got some oxidant compounds that strengthens the immune system of our chickens, and that simply means that our chickens will be resistible to diseases. This is one of the benefits that banana leaves can do to our chickens. This can be a game changer to our chickens. The other thing that you have to understand about banana leaf is that these leaves also contain fiber. These are rich in fiber. So these, because they are rich in fiber, that means there will be an improvement in the digestive system of our chickens. That means our chickens will have an improved digestion, which simply means that our chickens, as they are eating the feed that we are giving them, they will be able to consume all the nutrients that are in the feed that we are giving to our chickens. So this is one of the important benefits that you have to understand about banana leaf. The other thing is that this same leaf that you are seeing here, as simple as you look at it, this banana leaf has got some natural compounds, compounds that help in reduce worms in our chickens. So when you start giving banana leaf to our chickens will not have worms. That simply means that our chickens, as the moment they are eating their feed, they'll be able to absorb all the nutrients they need without any competition from the parasites, because parasites also consume nutrients from the feed that we give our chickens. So the best thing we can do is give our chickens this, so that our chickens will be able to enjoy and be able to have a good healthy body. The other thing that you have to understand is that this same leaf contains some micronutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which helps to strengthen the bones of our chickens and in the egg production. So the other thing that you have to understand, not only that, but this also is a stress relief. When you give your chickens banana leaf, your chickens won't be stressed. And as you know, when your chickens are comfortable, they will give you a maximum production. For broilers, the comfortability of comfort, their comfort zone is where they grow very big. And with layers as well, layers don't have to be stressed. So this also is a stress relief. This simply means that when you start giving your chickens banana leaf, they won't be stressed, and then they'll give you maximum production. This same leaf also help in gut healthy. Your chickens will have a healthy gut if they are eating a banana leaf. So today, that's all we have to look at on this banana leaf. And the main important part, these are the benefits that I've given you. Number one, this boosts up the immune system. Number two, this is also rich in fiber. Number three, it's a natural dewormer. And number four, this contains some micronutrients. And number five, the chickens, when they eat this, they will not be stressed. And the chickens will also have a good gut, which is very healthy. So guys, now let's prepare this for our chickens so that we can give them these benefits that we have just discussed. So we'll pick the ones which are fresh, because the ones with this color which is yellowish, that means they are not okay. So we'll be able to pick the ones which are fresh so that we cut them. So guys, continue watching so that you see how I will prepare this and give it to our chickens. So guys, let's now start preparing. lid of this yellow thing. So yes, we have to clean this. We have to make sure it is thoroughly clean. So I have to remove these yellow stuffs because we don't need this. So I have to take these out. I need only the things which are green. So these are the things I need. For this one, it's all fresh. So I'll get this whole part. Then I need to clean them so that we make sure they are clean the moment we are giving them to our chickens. So these need to be put in. Then I need to chop them. Okay, nice. Make sure these are very much kept. So let's have this here. So I need to make sure all these are only the clean ones, the ones which are fresh are the ones we use. So make sure we just get these fresh ones. They're the ones that we need. Then like I've said, we chop them. I'm putting them in this bucket so that it's easy for me to clean them. Then I'll be able to chop them and give them to our chickens. As usual, only fresh ones are the ones that we need. Only the fresh ones are the ones we need. So we clean. Make sure you so we have to wash this. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's very clean. So you wash this. Make sure it's clean. So wash this. Make sure it's very clean. The moment you give to the chickens, so you cut this. So I cut this into smaller pieces. You have to make sure these are cut into smaller pieces so that the chickens will be able to eat them comfortably. So this is how we prepare, just like the way I prepare the vegetables. It's almost the same thing. Like this. Make sure these are small. It's very good for the chickens. Make sure the pieces are very small. this. Very small pieces. Guys, maybe I don't know how to cut, but for those who have don't know how to cut very well, don't mind the way I cut it. This is the way I cut sometimes vegetables, but we have to make sure these are into smaller particles so that it's easy for the chickens to eat. That's the main purpose of why we are cutting. That's the main purpose why we are cutting them into smaller pieces. So it's easy for them. So we are done with the cutting. This is how it looks. Cut it. So now we have to give it to the chickens. So let's go in and give it to the chickens. So we give it to them. I'll put them right here. Put them right here. See how these chickens will eat this. Give them here. So this is good for the chickens. So you see how they are eating them. This is good. They're enjoying this. So this is good. We'll get to have the chickens to eat this. I prepared it. So now you see how easily they can eat this because we've made sure that we've cut them into smaller pieces. So these chickens are able to eat. So yes guys, we've given the chickens the banana leaves. They will have all the nutrients which are needed, the ones that I've explained when we started this video. So the chickens get the full package. So they are eating. So guys, please consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. And if you're already a subscriber, please like the video and share it with other poultry farmers so that they'll be able to get to understand and learn how beneficial banana leaves are in poultry farming. So guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye. That's it for today.